But I do think what's important to notice is they got the alert on their phone, and so we have storm radar as well, which can send an alert to you in case any warnings do pop up while you're sleeping. Although tonight, not anticipating any severe weather. We do have thunderstorms rolling through the area as a cold front approaches, although not going to drop temperatures much. Normally this time of year we're about 89 degrees. Today above that at 94, and you can see out toward downtown near the Inner Harbor, no rain just quite yet, but the showers are coming. When you take a look at the radar, it is lit up like a kindergarten drawing right along the northern tier of the state here. The action is drifting off to the southeast fairly quickly though, so you'll notice I did this plot here really focusing on the heaviest part of the rainfall. So out over toward Pikesville arriving for you in about 26 minutes. Also noticing the other parts of the heavy rainfall currently out over toward Moncton. I did just check and the area shaded in pink does in fact have some hail located in it, but anticipate the heavy rainfall to arrive to you in Phoenix in 2 minutes, Bel Air 3 minutes for you out over toward Falston 5 minutes. So don't be surprised if the kiddos wake up because they hear a lot of the thunder out there. We are seeing plenty of it now out over toward Rising Sun. The heavy bands of rain, yet again, we're just focusing in on the reds because you could be dealing with the light rain now out over toward Elkton, but more heavy stuff's coming to you most likely in about 3 minutes. Also out over toward, it looks like Aberdeen 17 minutes. Havre de Grace will have another band of rain coming to you in about 23 minutes. This was a look at that hail I was showing you, the pockets of purple. That's where we're seeing the really small hail. However, it's obviously not going to be large enough to damage your car. That's also one good thing, and we're not seeing any signs of rotation with any of these storm systems. So just a good soaking rain, your grass probably needing it for you. When the rain comes to an end though, we're really just going to talk about the temperatures behind the front that hardly really nudge much. I don't know why they call it a cold front. Temperatures are really just going to stay pretty much the same. Currently we're looking at 82 degrees in the Inner Harbor. Chestertown now at 80. Elkton you're sitting at 75 degrees. Look what's happening though behind the front. We're noticing temperatures maybe 5 degrees cooler from Pittsburgh and Charleston compared to where we are currently. But by the time we get to a few more hours, by tomorrow with more sunshine, we're not going to notice that change. So still anticipating temperatures above average in the low 90s. There's one small thing that does change. The humidity. So our dew point now sitting into the lower 70s. It's oppressive, right? Look what's behind this front though. We're seeing dew points in the upper 60s. So not a tremendous drop, but it's there and we'll start feeling it for you on your Monday. Walking it through, you can see the cold front that's knocking on our door will swing through the area tonight, and then tomorrow morning we're just going to notice this cloud starting to push further to the south as well as the chance of rainfall. So if you're working in DC, probably still a 20% chance of showers, but the further north you are, I don't think we'll get any rain there. Temperatures with more sunshine will keep us about 5 degrees warmer than normal, yet again into the mid-90s. Tuesday, same scenario, but I think we'll get even more sunshine for us as another front gets close to the region. That one forecast to arrive on Wednesday, small chance of rain, but finally takes us seasonal. And then there's another front this week, and that one arriving by the weekend should take us below average. So for tomorrow, the first front, not a lot of cold air behind it. 9 a.m. going for 81 degrees. By 11 o'clock, you're looking at 86. The low 90s already by 1 o'clock as we work our way up to the mid-90s. A good spot to cool off, obviously, out over toward the Chesapeake. Water temperature there, 80 degrees, winds out of the south 5 knots. High tide coming in at around 6:23 in the morning. 7-day forecast for you, 94, 95 on your Monday and Tuesday. Then our next front arrives Wednesday. Drops us to 90, close to seasonal. Thursday, not bad, but another front comes through, and look at the difference. Takes us down into the 80s for Friday and Saturday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Kendall, over to you.
All right, thanks, Sabrina.